আন্তর্জাতিক যোগ দিবসে যোগের মধ্য দিয়ে গৌতম বুদ্ধর জীবনী উপস্থাপিত করলেন প্রেসিডেন্সি সংশোধনাগারের বন্দীরা। বুধবার কলকাতার আইসিসিআর অনুষ্ঠিত স্মরণাম অনুষ্ঠানে প্রধান অতিথি হিসাবে উপস্থিত ছিলেন পুলিশ কর্তা সঞ্জয় সিং। এছাড়াও ছিলেন চীনা কনসাল জেনারেল ঝালিউ। বন্দীদের কল্যাণের জন্য রাজ্য সরকারের ইতিবাচক পদক্ষেপের প্রশংসা করেন তিনি।
Understanding that we have been blessed with privileges, society has given us good breaks, and we owe it to return something back to it. I just want to start my short speech. I have also not prepared a speech with when I got posted as ADG in the prisons. There was some minor problem about which I thought Imran Bhai, who is no longer sitting here, he was here till a few minutes back. He has gone for some other engagement, I guess, called him. I thought I will seek his help. It was something quite small. I thought maybe he can help out. Because I've known him for years. I've known his work for society. And his response to me was, Sanjay Bhai, the day I read about your transfer, we had not spoken for a long time. I have been preparing the groundwork. Don't worry, I am on board. Shekhar Mehta ji is on board with us, the president of Rotary International. And don't worry, we will be visiting your jail soon. It was so heartening if you reach out to somebody and then they came. Like I said, Shekhar Mehta just mentioned, it was like, you ask for something. There is a couplet in Ramcharitmanas. बिना मांगे ही सब कुछ मिल जाता है. तो the way they have been forthcoming with the help, it was amazing to us. And we need this. Civil society has a great stake. When the name was changed from prisons to correctional home, it wasn't just a nominal change. It's a mindset change. You know, Fyodor Dostoevsky once wrote that the degree of civilization in a society can be judged if you enter its prisons. How long ago he wrote it and how true it is, I just started realizing. We have a stake there. This is our program here. The boys who will be performing, the inmates of presidency correction home, they are speaking out to you. It's like a window through which they are speaking out to you, and they want to be heard. And I have a vision for making this better, and I'm so glad to have brothers and sisters in arms like our friends here on the dais and in the audience.